Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. Rich Tehrani here. Thanks for watching us today. We're at Interop 2012. We're in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're speaking today with Calvin Nicholson, who's the Senior Director of Software and Firmware Engineering at Server Technology. And Calvin, welcome back to our program. How are you?
Thank you. Very good. Very good. Thank you.
So for those people watching who may not be familiar with Server Technology, let's just give the overview, please.
Sure. So Server Technology provides hardware and software solutions that are cabinet power distribution units that monitor, manage, and control the power within the data center cabinet. And we have a software tool, an appliance that sits over that provides reporting, trending, logging, alerts and alarms in conjunction with our cabinet PDUs.
Now that the cloud and just the data center market in general seems to be experiencing such large levels of growth, are you seeing any trends in your business that are changing?
We are seeing a lot of growth on the cloud side. Certainly, for us, data center space is data center space, whether it's hosted or non-hosted or the cloud or not. Well, we're seeing a very good year, good growth, and we're providing a lot of PDUs to the companies that are providing cloud services. So it's been a good year.
Now, how do you differentiate yourself from a market that has other players? Some are really large players in that space.
Sure. For us, it's feature functions. We do a lot of integration with third-party companies in getting the power information out of our units and into what may be their single pane of glass or their monitoring system. So we've done a lot on really getting the information out and making it usable for our customers.
Now, as servers become more powerful, they draw tremendous amounts of current. It seems like Moore's law basically is
Sure.
the law of exponential current growth. So power management seems to be crucial, more crucial every year or every 18 months if you follow the Moore's law.
It's significant. The cabinet densities continue to go up, but we're actually seeing a little bit of reversal where we used to see a lot of blade servers and things like that. We're seeing increased densities, but we're seeing in some cases a move back to the 1U pizza box servers, depending on the installation, where there's just a large number of those devices within a rack. So actually the density is going up because the number of servers are going up.
So is that a function of multi-core processors that is doing that?
That could be part of it, I think. I think it's really their implementation and how they're really configuring their setup and what they're doing with their particular implementation of it.
Okay. What trends other than what we've discussed have you seen?
I think there continues to be a focus on the monitoring and understanding the power usage. People are really doing it, though, where it makes sense. People aren't, they're doing it where there's a financial return and they can see the value in understanding the information. Like most businesses, they're there to make money, and so they're not really doing power monitoring just because it's something that's the right thing to do. They're really doing it because they are seeing a return in their investment for monitoring and understanding their power usage.
That's great. In terms of feedback here at Interop that you've heard, what sorts of things?
Good show. I think attendance is up. We get feedback in the companies we partner with in the NOC and customers that come by that we talk with in the booth. So a lot of activity, a lot of projects. There's a lot of things going on. It's been a good event.
What's next for the company?
So we're really tightly coupling our PDUs with our software tools. And we're leveraging that integration in our Century Power Manager system to really save our customers time and money. So things like upgrading the firmware on the PDUs can be done at a push of a button. So it saves a large amount of setup and configuration time. We've really advanced that lately with our SNAP protocol, which is a secure protocol between the cabinet PDUs and SPM that allows the PDUs to be auto-configured. So it really gets into the realm of having a total system that really becomes plug and play. The customer can take a PDU out of the box. He doesn't have to log in and configure it. He can actually get it up on his network. Century Power System will go out and will discover that PDU. Upon discovery, or if the customer wants to do it manually, it can push down a configuration template to the PDU right at that point. So it really gets into a fast setup, a cost savings, doing more with less, and really a kind of a plug-and-play type environment with our products.
Well, that sounds great for cloud situations, right?
It would be, absolutely.
Oh,
it
you're
would
just
be.
growing,
yes.
just
yeah, they're
racks at
provisioning
time,
a lot of
and just
cabinets.
Bang,
yeah.
bang, bang. You just bang them out, and you get them up and running as fast as you can.
That's exactly right. You can if they're provisioning X number of cabinets each week, they can schedule the discoveries, and every Friday it can go out, see that there's new PDUs, bring them into SPM, push the configuration down, and they just keep rolling. So it's really a great, unique concept that I think our customers are seeing a lot of value in.
Calvin, thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good show.
We will.